Prepare to be impressed by the Nuie Ivo Comfort Height Back-to-Wall Pan. This back-to-wall toilet is a game-changer in the world of bathroom design. With its contemporary style and sleek lines, it will instantly boost the look of your bathroom. Designed with convenience in mind, the easy-cleaning glazed ceramic ensures that maintaining a sparkling clean toilet is a breeze. Say goodbye to those hard-to-reach nooks and crannies. With only the basin exposed, there's no need to worry about cleaning those pesky cisterns. It's a revolution in cleanliness. Let's not forget about comfort. The comfort height feature of this toilet makes it perfect for taller individuals or those with restricted mobility. No more uncomfortable stooping or struggling to get up. This toilet has got you covered. This 440mm tall toilet pan, the Nuie Ivo Comfort Height Back-to-Wall Pan, combines style, convenience, and comfort like never before. Upgrade your restroom experience today and be amazed by the wonders of modern design. Discover this and the rest of the Nuie bathroom suites range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.